Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your profile picture on Skype. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Skype application, which of course I have done right here. Now, I'd like you to know that Skype is a proprietary telecommunications application that allows you to keep in touch with free video chat, messaging, and affordable calls. You can create instant online video calls with one click and no download required. So now that we know a bit of what Skype is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to change your profile picture on Skype. Now from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the left corner of your screen where you have these options, okay? So the first thing I'd like you to do is to click on your profile name in there. So just click on your profile name and you have these extended options. So you have Skype profile, you have bookmarks just right under manage, you have clips gallery, you have settings, you have sign in with QR code. Now you can head over to your profile picture in here and just click on that, and it's going to take you to your system where you can now change your profile picture. Just click on any of the picture that you want and click on open, and that's going to change. Okay, so these are the steps that you can take. So just select any of the picture and just click on open and it changes. All right, so that has been changed. All right, so if you want to use this other means, so you can click on Skype profile. Once you click on Skype profile, you see your profile here. So you can click on the pencil icon and click on upload a photo. So once you click on upload photo, go ahead and change the picture to something else. So I'm changing it to something else, and I'm just going to select open, and you see that that's going to change as well. So you see that it has reflected every other area. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much the process. This is how you can change your profile picture on Skype. So you can just keep changing until you have the perfect picture for use. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.